So hydrodermabrasion is a treatment that's similar to microdermabrasion. It has that vacuum function and it helps deep cleanse the pores. It is a treatment that is good for all skin types, so I think it caters to sensitive skin because it uses water to help cleanse the pores instead of a scrub. And yeah, that's what hydrodermabrasion is. So it's great for all skin types. So the main benefits for hydrodermabrasion is both to give your skin a brighter, more exfoliated appearance. It is great for hydration, anti-aging. It reduces the appearance of pigmentation like acne scarring or sun-induced spots. So those are all the benefits of hydrodermabrasion. Relaxation, but it's also for like stress relief too. Yeah, so it does help with drainage, like detox, and it's great for it's almost like a workout for your skin. So it helps get the blood flowing. So it's great for like lifting, tightening, and the cream itself is hydrating. This is why I really like the hydrodermabrasion and stonecrop mist. Stonecrop, it has healing properties. It's a succulent, kind of like a cactus. So it doesn't need a lot of water to sustain moisture, and it does the same for your skin. Rose water is for anti-inflammation, so it helps reduce redness and cool your skin down.
I always felt like
rose water is for anti-inflammation, so it helps reduce redness and cool your skin down.
I always felt like
after all the steam and the hydro,